Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So recently, as I posted, Microsoft Edge received a security update for the Chromium open source project and also received a couple of bugs and performance issue fixes. Now, just to let you know, and in case you hadn't noticed, that it seems now that the update, which pushed the version and build to 131.0.2903.112, has introduced a minor change that replaces the yellow themed favorites folders. So here in the bookmarks bar, the favorites bar, we can see no longer any yellow themed favorites folders, and replace those with more kind of minimalist, monoline and transparent folders, as we can see. So things looking a very transparent and monoline and minimalistic, for want of a better word. Now, just to let you know that if this is something that you don't enjoy, there is negative feedback doing the rounds online that these so-called monoline new favorites folders are not ticking the box for a lot of users of Microsoft Edge. Then the good news is that currently you are able to restore the so-called yellow folders for the favorites and the favorites bar, if that is something that you would like to do. Now, it involves enabling a command line flag, which is a little bit in depth, but nonetheless, we have posted quite a bit on command line flags on the channel. And as of today, posting this video, the 26th of December, 2024, this flag works. But like all experimental flags and features in any browser, it could be removed in due course, so just take note of that. But if this is something you don't want, the monoline, so-called monoline, minimalistic favorites folders, then you can restore the yellow folders by heading to your shortcut of Microsoft Edge. So that's a shortcut on your desktop start menu or on your taskbar. Right clicking on that shortcut, clicking on properties, and then what you would do is you would enter this command line flag. Now obviously that's quite a mouthful, so I'll leave this command line flag in the description for you to copy and paste for easy access and reference. So copy that in, and what you would do is here in the target you would see .exe quotations. What you need to do is delete everything in front of .exe quotations, and then what you would do is then paste that command line flag in. But just take note that you must leave a space after .exe quotation space and then the command line flag. If that space is not there, this will not work. So then you would click on apply, click on OK, and then what you will need to do is close Microsoft Edge and then relaunch the browser. Now you'll see we have our yellow favorites folder back in the favorites bar, or the bookmarks bar. And if we head to our favorites, there we go, the yellow folders are back. So that's just a quick way, currently working, may change in the future, how you can restore your yellow folders after that update which introduced the so-called monoline folder. Now if you want to return everything to its original look and bring back the monoline folders, what you would do is just reverse the process. So once again, you would head to any shortcut of Microsoft Edge, click on properties, and then you would once again head to the target.exe quotations, and then you would delete everything in front of those quotation marks. So that would be the command line flag. Click on apply, click on OK, and now you'll see if we close Edge and then we relaunch the browser, the monoline folder and folders have returned to the favorites bar and also to the favorites hub. So that's just, as mentioned, working today, the 26th of December, and the new folders have been met with a bit of negative review. And this is something that Microsoft changed in the browser without any fanfare or announcement. And just thought I'd post this video in case you would like to restore the yellow folders. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.